Well, this morning, Dayton Children's Hospital announced their latest community project, the Center for Health Equity.
Well, the center uses research and statistics to determine how inequalities can impact the health of the whole community. 2 News reporter Alea Williamson has more on COVID-19's impact.
The brand new Center for Equity opened on National Child Health Day has actually doubled the amount of people that they have working, and they'll all be working here at Dayton Children's Hospital. Specifically, what they added to their team are researchers who are doing the work to see how COVID and other things impact children's health. For more than a year, COVID has exposed how inequality impacts health.
We know that there are a lot of disparities in how the impact of COVID. We know that some sociodemographic groups are more affected than others because of things like trust in the healthcare system, because of access. Where do we have clinics? Where do we have a place that a person can get a shot?
The executive director of Dayton Children's new Center for Health Equity says, in a way, this was what sparked the investment in their new program.
You know, we were seeing that here at the hospital and with our colleagues across the country. And so that really was, started the conversation to say, how do we have a more specific focus on the inequities that exist among our kids?
The center will provide food, tutoring, and other resources to make health more equitable across Montgomery County.
Because of COVID, and we were seeing so many of the social determinants of health or social drivers of health where families were saying, hey, we don't have food, we don't have access to broadband. We're seeing different areas of town, different areas of our community that are impacted differently.
So far, they found Montgomery County ranks 78th out of Ohio's 88 counties in health outcomes, with 23% of children living in poverty and an average life expectancy of 61.1 compared to the state average of 77. Now they're working to change that.
And that's the way research happens. You kind of have your first question that you want to answer. That leads you to more questions. And so it's an ongoing process.
Coming up on 2 News at 6, I'll have more details about how the Center for Equity is going to put that research to work for our community's children. For now, reporting live in Dayton, Alea Williamson.